What's up, guys? Guess what we're doing today? Fish and chips. Very crispy. The crispiest fish and chips you'll ever have. We're not actually doing the chips though, we're just doing the fish. This is a Gummy Shark Fillet, which is also known as Flake when you go to fish and chips. It's a very nice piece. And all you got to do is slice it up. This is one of the thinner fillets. So we're just going for, you go for longer slices as the meat is thinner. Boom. One piece of fish. Another slice. As you go on, you can make them a little bit smaller and just choose your own size. And there we go, 5 pieces of gummy. Alright guys, this is a pretty simple batter. It's like a beer batter, but we're using soda water instead of beer. It helps, I find it helps it get a bit more crispy. Baking powder, corn starch, turmeric, and flour that must be sifted. If you don't sift your flour, then you're in trouble. So, we'll just go on with some flour that we'll sift first. You're gonna be pretty rough with the flour. There's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 2.5 of a small teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt and pepper, turmeric, which helps brighten the colour and everything and gives a bit of a kick. There we go. Be careful with this stuff because it stains your bench top. Your soda water slowly, so not all at once. You add it slowly, and yeah. So you just obviously mix it, and you're going for a certain consistency, which I'll show you as we go along. Alrighty, so this is the consistency you're trying to get to, just like that. And obviously get out as many lumps as you can, but that's probably the ratio you want to go for. So as you're mixing it, you can add a little bit more flour to the mixture, or whatever you require to get to this consistency. So you want to get some corn starch just into a separate bowl. And then that becomes your base to dip your fish in, like this. Get it well coated everywhere, putting the edges, and boom. As you can see, it's coated everywhere. And whoop, into the yellow swimming pool. Let it get coated completely. And then when you take that to the frying pan, Bob's your uncle. I'll get the rest of these done. Unreal. Look how crispy this fish is. Listen to that. Beautiful. This is probably the best batter for fish I've ever done. Amazing. Here's the taste test. That's hot and amazing. Have a look at that fish. Perfectly cooked through. Tasty as heck. So that's how you get the crispiest fish and chips. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.